Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MATLAB class. So today I would like to post one project video, and that video is based on image deblurring. So just go with the MATLAB code, just click on this run button. It will open one graphical user interface. The title of the code is image deblurring using blind convolution. This is the title of the code. I would like to repeat it once again. That is image deblurring using blind convolution. So this graphical user interface having number of buttons. Now just click on first button, that is select image button, and you have to select one input image from the database. So I would like to select this Barbara image from input database. Now just click on open button. That image will display over this axis. Just check it out. And after displaying this image, you have to go for second button, that is blur image. Means we are going to blur this image manually. So just click on this button, that is blur image button. It will use you the blurring output. So that output will display over this axis. So this is my blurred image and this is my input original image. Now we are going to deblur this image with the help of blind convolution method. Now just click on deblur image. So it will deblur the blurred image. Now just check it out. Various outputs. The process is going on. So this is my input image. This is my blurred image. So this is the deblurring with undersized PSF. Then this is the deblurring with the help of oversized PSF. This one is the deblurring with the help of init PSF. This is the true PSF, RU PSF, RO PSF, and RTrue PSF. So these are the various deblurring techniques. This one is with the help of undersized PSF. This one is with the help of oversized PSF. This one is with the initialization PSF. This one is the true PSF, RU PSF, RO PSF, and RTrue PSF. And this is the weight array, and this is nothing but the final deblurred image. And this is your final output. If you compare this output with this input image, then we are having almost exactly same image. So this is the application of deblurring with the help of blind convolution. Now just click on save deblur image. It will save the deblurred image in the database. So I'm going to save this image with any name. You can give any name and just click on save button. It will save that image. Now just click on clear all. It will clear all the content of GUI. Now I would like to run this code for second image as well. So just click on first button, that is select image button. It will open current directory. Now select second image, any image from the database. So I'm going to select second image as an image of man and just click on open button. It will display the input image over this axis. Now just click on blur image. It will use you the blurred output. So this is my blurred image. I just want to deblur this image with the help of blind convolution. Now just click on deblur image. It will use us various output of deblurring. So this is my deblurring with the help of undersized PSF. This is my deblurring with the help of oversized PSF, and this one is my deblurring with the help of INIT PSF. This is my true PSF. This is my RU PSF, RO PSF, and RTrue PSF. And here I am getting some weight array, and this is my final deblurred image with the help of blind convolution. And if you compare this image with this image, then we will get exact same images. And this is the output of deblurring. It will take few seconds to load. Just wait and watch. Okay, so this is my weight array and this is my final deblurred image. So if I compare my output deblurred image with my input original image, then we are having exactly same images. Now we can save this deblurred image in our database. So just click on save deblurred image and just give any name. for deblurred image, and just click on save button. It will save that image in the database. So this is my overall implementation of image deblurring using blind convolution. Now just click on clear all. It will clear all the content of GUI, and just close this GUI, graphical user interface. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want such kind of more videos in the field of digital image processing, then just go to my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel, like my all the videos, and share my all the videos. Thank you so much.